Good day everyone, I'm Maricris Asi. This is my final performance video for understanding the self. We have 5 pieces of content. The first is life timeline. The second is philosophical and psychological perspective. The third is self-assessment. The fourth is spiritual aspect of self. And the last one is final reflection. I've learned from looking back at my life's timeline that even the smallest events have a significant impact on who I am. Every experience, whether happy or sad, ordinary or extraordinary, has shaped who I am now. I used to think that only significant dramatic events could promote growth. These diverse experiences have given me patience, self-assurance, and a strong sense of loyalty. It took time to develop self-confidence. It was constructed by succession of minor success and failures. Every time I overcome fear, whatever it was, to solve personal problem or give a presentation in class, it gave me more confidence in my skills. It was not because everything went well that I came to trust myself, but rather because I demonstrated to myself that I could persevere in the face of failure. The way I see the world and myself has been profoundly impacted by Plato's philosophical and psychological outlook. I'm motivated to think more carefully about my purpose and personal development by his conviction that knowledge, inner peace, and truth are important things to pursue throughout one's life. Understanding oneself is essential to understand life. In my opinion, just like Plato said. Along the way, I've learned that real knowledge extended beyond what is true in classroom in order to better understand who I am. It's essential looking inward and challenging my ideas, emotions, and behavior, although I occasionally feel lost or unsure. Plato's theory served as a reminder that these difficulties are a necessary component of a worthwhile journey. They inspire me to pursue the truth in every situation rather than feeling from difficulties. My truth actions and interpersonal relationship are shaped by my core values and integrity. Growth and empathy. These principles help me make moral choices, keep learning, and form enduring, meaningful connection. In addition, I am aware of my shortcoming in patient public speaking and time management. Particularly during presentation, I've learned how to emotion control my stress by using methods like deep breathing and constructive self-talk. In order to deal with emotional situation more effectively, I'm also trying to maintain my composure during disagreements. I value open communication, honesty, and attentive listening in relationship. I've discovered that in order to resolve and advance as a team, understanding and compromise are crucial. I want to get better at managing my time and do well in college in the near future. My long-term goal is to become a chef, baker, or waiter in the cruise ship. I determined to accomplish this goal by developing abilities, gaining experience, and remaining dedicated, even in the face of difficulties, hectic work environments, and being separated from my family. Especially in trying times, my spirituality helps me stay grounded. I get a sense of inner peace, strength, and purpose from it. I've grown closer to my conviction and learned to trust that there is a higher power guiding me as a result of going through personal struggles and loss. My ability to slow down and appreciate life more has been cultivated by this spiritual connection. It gives me the ability to see meaning even in trying circumstances and find strength in quiet times. Additionally, my faith serves as a reminder to me of the value of virtues like composition, humility, and thankfulness. In everyday interaction with other people, these values help me to be more understanding and patient. For me, being spiritual and about living intentionally, finding inner peace, and making an effort to improve oneself every day, not just about having beliefs. It is rare for personal development to be a linear. It's more akin to a meandering road molded by obstacles, victories, and introspection. The journey of my development is similar to Plato's idea of the soul aiming for greater balance and understanding after starting with emotional balance and building strength from family support. This journey has now reached a point of profound reflection on who I am and what my life's purpose is. My early success in achieving emotional stability serves as the cornerstone for my development. My ability to control my emotion and comprehend how they affect my ideas and behavior gave me a strong foundation for personal growth. Plato says that in order to seek truth, the soul must be in harmony. Similar, I had to find inner peace before I could make any real progress. This process has been greatly aided by my family. It was able to face my fear that had previously held me back because of their support. Whether it was overcoming self-doubt, attempting something new, or venturing beyond my support zone, their support enabled me to develop in ways I never would have imagined.